जय श्रीमन्नारायण 435th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 46th sloka. Om Mahadhanaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, whatever is needed, that is known as dhanam. For some people, wealth is dhanam. For some people, money is dhanam. For some people, gold is dhanam. For some people, tapas is dhanam. For some people, jnanam is dhanam. For some people, dharmam is dhanam. Like this, whatever is needed for the devotees, you are the one who can give any amount of dhanam to those devotees. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Mahadhanaya Namaha. Om Mahadhanaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Aranyakanda, Surpanakha is now shouting at Ravana, saying that, "O Ravana, if the king does not act Swayam karyani yah kale na anutishtati, does not act upon proper things and at proper time, he is soon going to be completely destroyed." O Ravana, Ayuktacharam, the king who does not have secret agents, Durdarsam, the king who will not meet the people on their needed timings, and the king who is under influence of any woman, and the bad people. O Ravana, people will not appreciate these kind of kings, and people will keep themselves away from these kind of kings, and people give away these kind of kings. O Ravana, you have developed animosity with Devatas, Gandharvas, Danavas, yet you did not appoint efficient secret agents. O Ravana, Katham Raja Bhavishyasi, how can you be treated as, how can you be considered as king if you do like this? O Ravana, you are so stupid. Jnatavyantu na janishe. You are not getting the news when you are supposed to get. Katham Raja Bhavishyasi, how can you be considered as king? O Raja, how can you protect your kingdom? O Ravana, the king who has no secret agents, the king who has no control upon his treasure, the king who has no control upon his law and order, soon that king is going to be destroyed and he can never be considered as king. He is just like an ordinary human being. O Ravana, because kings appoints secret agents and get the news from distant places, that is why they are known as Uchyante Rajano Dirghachakshushaha. They are called as Dirghachakshuhu. O Ravana, Janasthanam, all of your relatives, thousands of demons were killed. You didn't even know that. That means you definitely have no agents, secret agents. And also definitely all the ministers who are sitting around you are stupids. That much is very clear. Like this, Surpanakha is saying all these words to Ravana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 46th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Vistaraha, Sthavaraha, Sthanuhu, Pramanam, Bijamavyayam, Ardhonardho, Mahakoso, Mahabhogo, Mahadhanaha. Vistarasthavarasthanuh pramanam bijamavyayam, ardhonardho mahakoso, mahabhogo mahadhanaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Mahadhanaya Namaha. Om Mahadhanaya Namaha. Om Mahadhanaya Namaha.